Alam mo, ang dami kong mga kamag-anak na merong ganyan eh. At sabi nila, pagka nagkaroon ng sugat, eh hindi nagagaling at puputulin yung kamay mo.
Or you can go blind. You have to
Hindi
join
naghihirap
us here. Let's do the blood test.
Blood test?
Ako na lang.
Masakit
I don't know. I've done it.
Hindi
When I was
Okay,
pregnant, join me, come. When I was pregnant, I had kasi, anong tawag nga doon? Yung pag... Gestational diabetes. So, before and after every meal, nag-check talaga. No, you know me and needles, I don't really care.
20% ng mga tao may diabetes at pag hindi ito na-control, in 5 years, pwede mabulag, maputol ang paa, at maging impotent. Okay?
Yan.
So, wow.
Ay, mataas, sorry.
123 ang blood
ibig
sugar.
sabihin?
It has to be 120 and below eh.
No, that's normal. 140 and below, normal after eating. Meron pang isang test for diabetes kasi
What's this?
merong maliit na small needle.
Okay.
Pag hindi nyo na ito nararamdaman, ibig sabihin nasisira na yung ugat. Nararamdaman mo.
Ramdaman mo?
Ramdam ko.
Yan. Tapos sa paa din, ginagawa namin. Mga ibang diabetic, hindi na nila ito nararamdaman.
So pag hindi nararamdaman, ibig sabihin
Nawawala
meron
yung
kang
sensitivity.
diabetes.
May komplikasyon na.
May komplikasyon.
Dalawa lang ang
Okay.
bawal sa mga may diabetes, ang matatamis at matataba.
Okay, let's go to the next.